Next, the electric field lines never intersect. Why? ஏன் எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்ட் லைன்ஸ் இன்டர்செக்ட் பண்ணாது எதனால? சரி, அப்போ கொஸ்டின், எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்ட் லைன் never intersect. Why? இதுதான் கொஸ்டின். ஏன் electric field lines never intersect? We know electric field line starts from positive charge, ends at negative charge. I explained earlier, they are imaginary lines to represent electric field. So, they are imaginary lines to represent electric field. So, the lines are நம்ம தான் போடுறோம் to represent electric field. அப்போ ஒரு for example, positive charge இருந்தா electric field இருக்கு, அதனால outward lines போடுறோம். This is electric field lines. Negative charge இருந்தா will draw inwards. Okay. இதெல்லாம் நம்ம புரிஞ்சிருக்கோம். How, why they should not draw intersect with each other? Very simple concept. You should draw isolated from each other. They should not intersect. Why the electric lines never intersect? The reason is, if they there is a property. Properties of electric lines or property. The tangent drawn at any point. So take the electric line, draw a tangent. The tangent drawn at any point give the electric field at that point. The tangent drawn at any point give the direction of electric field at that point. அப்போ intersect பண்ண point imagine பண்ண. How many tangents can be drawn? There are two tangents can be drawn. The problem is we cannot draw, we cannot have a point has only one direction, cannot have two direction. அப்போ ரெண்டு டைரக்ஷன் ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல இருக்க முடியாது, because vector has only one direction, a point. So conclusion is, when we draw lines, we should draw as if they should not intersect. Why we should not intersect? If they intersect with each other, at the point of intersection, there are two direction of electric field will be found. A vector cannot have two direction at a point. Again, at the point of intersection, when you draw tangent, two directions will be there. A vector quantity cannot have two direction at a particular point. I think you are clear. So electric field line never intersect, because that when they intersect at the point of contact, there are two tangents can be drawn. The tangent gives the direction of electric field. So at a point, two direction of electric field cannot be possible, because vector in a point only one direction is possible. So it never intersects. That's all.